For this week's discussion, I'm going to discuss my project and kind of break it down into my tentative plan. I'm going to start with, I'm currently an assistant manager for PacSun Resale Store in Robinson. I've been there for a little bit over a month, and I made an observation of, there being an efficient way of scheduling that's impeding the progress of the store and becoming the highest grossing store in the company. So I'm developing a real-life solution, which I will detail for this problem. I've been in talks with my district manager and hope to implement this plan to eliminate the current current conflict. Currently, there isn't any specific objectives, as I need to discuss this with my fellow managers and have a discussion on short-term and long-term goals for redesigning this process, which I came up with a plan for the holidays, since this is kind of working backwards. So in the scope of things, my role in this project is to present a solution to my superiors in hopes to, redesign and then execute the new scheduling process. More specifically, I've had discussions with each associate to get opinions and feedbacks on things they feel would personally benefit them in this situation. Being able to appease associates in the retail world is, integral, because without them, managers can only do so much. So in order to critique our work and rework things, I need to hear from my associates. I've broken up my procedure into 3 phases. Phase 1, like I said before, is to interview all associates to get feedback on changing the scheduling process. Collaborate with managers and devise a preliminary plan, which we did through Black Friday, and it worked. So that would be one of our short-term goals to get through the holiday season, which was a success. And again, in phase 1, to test run the initial rework scheduling method to see what works and what doesn't, which was done through Black Friday. Phase 2, which has been worked on, is to change what didn't work in the test run. Also, kind of try to analyze results and compare them to the prior scheduling method to see what we should keep from the regular method, and also add to in my reworked method. So from there, we're going to refine the test runs from Black Friday and form the final document to present to upper management for implementation, which has been done, and then begin to use the redesign method and fix the problem if possible. Phase 3 is going to be sort of a reflection. This is where we're going to reflect on the changes and distribute the new plan to other PacSun stores if it is approved. From there, we're going to go ahead and build on what was changed and track how this change has positively affected business. And also set long-term goals that are a direct result from my reworked scheduling method. This project has been nothing short of I faced a lot of adversity working with a large company like PacSun. It's kind of hard with big business to make an impact. As just a new manager, I'm still trying to get my foot in the door. So I think that I've made a large step, and if nothing is implemented, I feel that at least I was knocking on the door, showing that this is something maybe they should revisit, which I felt I did. And at the end of the day, I just wanted to make an impact, and some point to present some type of knowledge and just kind of open up management's eyes to maybe an issue that's going on, which I felt I did. So that's my presentation.